Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and in today's video I'm going to show you what altcoins I am buying right now. This is a part 2 video of a previous video that I did. You can see here what altcoins I am buying. This was the 14th of June and I'm going to tell you exactly what I am buying right now in terms of altcoins and what the prices I am expecting and everything about that. I am going to be 100% transparent of my buyings and why I'm doing this. So if you're interested in knowing that, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and without anything else, let's go into it. Hey guys, well, like I said before, this is a part 2 of a previous video that I did. You can follow me here in YouTube and you can search here what altcoins I am buying. 100% transparent. This is 2 months ago. This was the 14th of June. And at the moment that I did that video, the market was really low, almost Bitcoin touching the $17,000 around that time. And you can see now in this video what buys I took from that video, that I was 100% of transparent with you like I am doing right now, and what is my next move here. So I'm not going to lose any time for you and me, and let's go to see the charts here and my spreadsheet. So like I mentioned in the previous video, if you didn't saw it, I recommend you first watch this video. The link is here, up here, because you will know exactly what I am talking about right now. But basically, I divide my investments in the different niche that I think it will grow on the next bull run. I think Metaverse is going to be the big one again, like in 2021. Finance and DeFi also, but in a different perspective and proportion. And I'm already exposed to DeFi a lot. So that is why I don't include here many projects that I really believe. And for sure, layer 1 and layer 2 solutions are my best buying strategy. I did that in 2017. I did it very well. The same in 2020. And now I am again into layer 1 and layer 2 solutions. And other projects that I consider important, but I didn't put in any specific category, and exchanges and decentralized exchanges. You will see that in my list, I don't have Ethereum, Cardano, maybe Ripple, Polkadot, or Matic. And that is because, not because I don't believe in the projects, it's because I already have my big bags of these altcoins. So I prefer increase my position in new altcoins or increase the ones that I am more bullish for different reasons. So if you don't see that altcoins there, it's not because I don't believe it or I don't have it. It's just because it's not in my strategy right now. So starting in the Metaverse, you can see I have the Decentraland and Sandbox in green. What the colors mean are my priorities. Green is the first priority that I want to enter into those projects and doing dollar cost averaging. If you don't know how to do dollar cost averaging well, you don't have the expertise to doing that, you can see my video that is popping here. I already did this in 2 bear markets, so I have a lot of experience doing that. And you can see that video where I explain exactly how to do it. So basically, the green ones are my priorities to buy right now in each of the niches. The oranges are ones that I believe in the project, already confirmed for me that I really believe in the project, but I put it in the second category. So I prefer to have mana tokens and sandbox tokens instead of having engine, gala, or flow tokens. But that doesn't mean that this is better than this. It's just my priority at this moment to dollar cost averaging. Of course, I would like to enter into 100 project, but that also has not been working me in the past. So I'm trying to focus in specific things. And the red ones are projects that I consider high risk. That maybe I like for some reasons. I will not enter into details on that, but I have more reasons to put it in the list, but it's like more high risk for me. And usually in a very bear market like we are in now, where everything is 90% down, I prefer to go into more secure and powerful projects, like investing in layer 1 solutions, than put my money in a specific new metaverse, like could be Cornucopias, which is a really nice project, really backed up by a really good team on Cardano. But yeah, it's super risky. You don't know what could happen with that. So that is why the different colors, so you understand. Let's go to start with that. So this entry level to wait is a wish list. Yeah, it's not that something that I will respect 100%. These numbers are based on TA that I did, levels that I think the price could go at some point. And this is the same that I have in the previous video. I didn't modify this in the 2 months from my previous video. I only changed the current value because that was different. Usually all these prices are higher than was in June. So right now from 97 you need to wait 58 cents into the centrals. It sounds like maybe it's a double and it's too much. But at the moment that I did these entry levels, the price of the centrals was at 80. Around that, so it was more close to the entry level. So don't take these entry levels like the must, because that is not a good strategy. I have my wish list, but I do dollar cost averaging. That is the strategy to buy. And here you can see the all-time highs. So why I decide this project will take too much time to explain everything in detail, but basically the Centrans and Sandbox from my perspective are the two biggest metaverse projects right now. Both of them have great companies already working in them, doing things, real utility. Banks are in both metaverses, the Centrans and Sandbox. Coca-Cola, Instagram, many big companies are using these two platforms already. Both are in the top 50 of the crypto assets in the world. So these are my most secure bets on metaverses. Of course, nothing is guaranteed here. And please don't take anything of here like financial advice. I am only transparent and showing you what I am doing. And if you are liking this video, please, you can see below me here is the icon of the channel. You can click that to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of my videos. In these times of bear market, the transparency of the YouTuber is very important for you. So you can take advices or see the experiences of someone that maybe has a little more experience than you in a full transparent way. So subscribe to the channel so you don't miss anything. So moving into that is why I took these two metaverses. You can see here the all-time high, and here is another lot that I try to be consistent, not always, but I try, is that in this bear market I am buying only altcoins that are 10x from the all-time high. So you can see here that the Centrans Mana token, the all-time high was $5.85. So that is why I put an entry level of 0.58 to wait in order to have those 10x's that I want. There are many tokens that already are in that situation, and for me the all-time high is really important. It was part of my strategy in previous bear markets. So my first goal is that the token, it will return to the all-time high at least and surpass it maybe for 2 or 3 x's. That has been consistent in many analyses that I did in projects that I really believe and are in the top 100. So that is my perspective and why I take this decision based on all-time highs also. In this case, with these two tokens, when Bitcoin was around 17, 18, 19, I couldn't manage my emotion. I couldn't wait those levels, so I bought nicely. I bought at 82 cents for Mana tokens and 97 cents for Sandbox. The current price is here, so I'm right now in profits in all those, but I am not trading that. I am just dollar cost averaging. So if the prices go below the price that I already buy, I will continue buying these tokens at lower prices, but I am not selling this. This is a very good price for any of these two tokens right now if you see the all-time high. Buying at $1 Sandbox tokens, we can easily go to $10, that is 10x, which is one of my major parameters to buy a token right now. So you can see the rest of this. The yellow one here is because I didn't trigger any buy order yet. I already did that for Gala. I am super bullish in Gala because Gala is not a specific game, it's not a specific metaverse. It's a platform, a company building play to earn games, building music space. It will enter into the movie ecosystem. So Gala is super big. They have a lot of money to survive this bear market. and they are continue working. I am super bullish on Gala, so I already bought a lot of Gala tokens. Super happy with it buy at 47 cents. I really like to go below 5 cents again to buy more on that. You can see the all-time high was 82 cents. So buying at 4 cents, it's like almost 20x down. So yeah, so 8 cents, it will be 10x from 82 cents. So 4 cents, it will be 20x's. So yeah, super great buy price for Gala in my situation. Casta, I didn't enter into that yet. I already entered into Vechain. You can see Vechain, I bought at 2 cents and 3. The all-time high was 28 cents. So I did in a very nice level. Couldn't get below 2 cents, but if the bear market continue and we have a new leg down, like many people is speculative on that, we may hit that target. I really don't think so. I am part of the analysis that thinks that the bottom was already in at $17,000. But everything can happen here. I have more charts and analysis telling me that the bottom was already in. So when I see some downtrend, I will continue dollar cost averaging. And I already bought Harmony at this amazing price action. I am almost more than the double on that. I bought some Bitcoin below $19,000, and I plan to do the same if we go below $20,000, buy more Bitcoin. I bought amazingly Metis DAO, which is a layer 2 solution, not so familiar and known like Optimism and Polygon, but it's a great project. I am super bullish on Metis DAO, so you can go and check it if you're not familiar with it. These are new ones that I added. I am also very interested in Velas token. I don't own any of Velas token. The all-time high was 56 cents. Right now is super down. If we go, let me go and check here Velas. BLX is a token, position 277. It was around the position 100 at some time. So it's at 43 cents, so super low. So right now it's okay to buy it in my strategy because it's 10x from the all-time high. So I am really happy to enter into Velas at some point, but I will wait that leg down if that happens. Of course, if nothing of that happens, if we don't go below that, we don't go into a more deeper downtrend on $10,000 Bitcoin, I am happy anyways. I don't need to buy all the things that I want, but I really want to have exposure to many of the things here. So that is why I already started to dollar cost averaging on the most important projects that I wanted. So this XOL is also just for my understanding of where I am investing. I am not putting a link of the description for this. You can copy the strategy that I am doing here. If you really want this Excel file, put a link in the description. I will give you the Excel file, but I will not give it just because it's for me right now. Other projects, guys, Theta, I am super bullish on this. It will be amazing, this platform in the future. I bought already at $1. So super happy with that buy. And in terms of exchanges, I bought also Uniswap at $4, super cheap. I wanted an entry level of $3, but we didn't get that target. So I bought at $4. The all-time high was $44.45, so that is more than 10x down. I bought some BNB already at 247. The all-time high was 600. We don't have here with BNB the 10x's that we want, and it will not happen. So that is why I don't follow that rule specifically in BNB. I want to enter into FTX. I didn't do that yet, but that is part of my list too. So guys, this is super quick review of what I am buying right now. This is my list. Over time, I may add some other projects here, but not too many more, guys, not too many more. It's okay to be in a couple of projects and all that, but if you are a little bit in 100 projects, that strategy never worked for me in these 5 years. So what works more is having a couple of projects for the different niches that I believe are going to succeed in the next bull run. That is my best strategy, doing dollar cost averaging and having this priority on what I want to invest depending my strategy of the 10x's down from the all-time high. That is also important to be fruitful without law that I put to myself, because working in my previous two bear markets that I have been here. Guys, that is all for the video. Please, if you like it, like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.